Good evening. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding Operation Devi Shakti. This is very much there in the news with respect to the crisis that is there in Afghanistan and the attempts that are being made by India to evacuate its citizens and also the Afghans from Afghanistan. But before going into the details of this, I would like to tell you something. When you are learning various subjects, you are coming across with a word called operation. That may be like Operation Smiling Buddha or Operation Shakti, or for that matter, now we are discussing about Operation Devi Shakti or Operation Vijay, right? So, like this, various operation, the word is coming into picture. For the examination point of view, anything may be a question, right? And you are expected to remember each and every one. Now, when you look at this Operation Devi Shakti, what exactly is this? In one of the earlier classes, we have discussed regarding the crisis in Afghanistan. Now, if you look at Afghanistan, Indians are also there in Afghanistan. So, whatever the developments that have been taken place in Afghanistan, that happened all of a sudden. Of course, for quite long period of time, there is a talk about this. But so sudden development was never expected, and Kabul was occupied by these Talibans. Now, everybody is scared who is present in Kabul, who is present in Afghanistan. Now, if you look at that particular Kabul, so many Indians are also existing, and Afghanistan people are also existing. Now, they want to come out from there. So, basically, what will happen whenever such type of crisis is there? Every country will try to evacuate its citizens from that particular country. India also did this in the earlier days. Right, many times India did in various countries. So now also India is doing its best. But the most beautiful thing is that India is not just evacuating the citizens of India, but India is also evacuating, the Afghans. And so far many people have been evacuated, more than 800 members, and many more to come. And out of these people, 2 Afghanistan MPs were also there. And the most beautiful thing is that 3 copies of, the holy book, Guru Granth Sahib, they have also been airlifted to India. So like this operation is going on, and the government has named this operation as Operation Devi Shakti. So apart from Indians, Afghanistan Sikhs and Afghanistan Hindus are also being evacuated from there. India is doing its best. India is always at the forefront for such type of activities. Again, it is at the forefront, and India is supporting many other countries also. And as far as Afghanistan citizens are concerned, they are being provided shelter here. Of course, the government is following, the complete COVID protocol. So everything is being arranged very safely. And hopefully, the situation in Afghanistan will be normal and peaceful soon. But the chances are very remote, and it may take a longer period. But let's expect that the peace returns back to Afghanistan as soon as possible. So regarding this, I have the information, and I would like to share the information with you. Kindly have a look at this now. So this is what? So this is India's complex mission to evacuate its citizens and Afghan partners from Kabul after its swift takeover by Taliban. Taliban was moving towards Kabul. But so rapidly it happened, and Kabul was occupied by Taliban, and the president of Afghanistan fled to other country. So It has been named as Operation Devi Shakti. So, one possible question for you in the examination will be, what is Operation Devi Shakti? That is nothing but this is the name of the operation of India to evacuate the citizens of India and also the Afghan partners from Kabul. Important. So the name of the operation was known when External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. Please remember, whenever basically the External Affairs Minister is one of the very important ministers for India, and especially whenever this type of crisis takes place, the role that is played by External Affairs Minister will be enormous. Clear? Right? And this name has come out on August 24th, 2021. Now, if you look at, India began the complex evacuation mission by airlifting 40 Indians from Kabul to Delhi on August 16th, meaning the operation, the airlifting began on August 16th, 2021. And so far we have evacuated 800 people, right? And the security is really deteriorating, right? And various nations are, really trying their best, trying very hard to get back their citizens to the respective nations. Fine. So we need to follow the news of this Afghanistan very carefully. Look at this. Thousands of Afghans have been crowding around the Kabul airport for over a week in a desperate attempt to flee the country, fearing the Taliban's brutality. So there is so much of fear in Afghanistan now. That is the reason why thousands of people are thronged to airport. They are being stopped, they are being questioned, they are being beaten, they are being killed. Lots of cruelty is happening in Afghanistan. Another very important point, at a meeting of the Cabinet Committee on Security, please remember this one, this is another very important Cabinet Committee. You already know what is the meaning of a Cabinet Committee. So there are various Cabinet Committees. Clear? Now the point is that in the examination, they may ask you, who is the chairman of Cabinet Committee on Security? Very important. And your answer is the Prime Minister. Very important one. Clear? Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, Cabinet Committee on Appointments, Cabinet Committee on Security. Like this, various Cabinet Committees are headed by none other than the Prime Minister. Is it okay? And during that meeting on August 17th, the Prime Minister has directed officials to ensure the safe evacuation of all Indians from Afghanistan and also to provide refuge to Afghan Sikhs and Hindus waiting to come to India. Meaning the Prime Minister is taking care of not just the citizens of India but also the citizens of Afghanistan who are Sikhs and Hindus. Right? So India stepped up its efforts to evacuate Indians and Afghan partners from Kabul. Right? And again on August 24th, India brought back 78 people, including 25 of its nationals and a number of Afghan Sikhs and Hindus from Dushanbe. Very important. We need to understand this point very clearly. This is the act of the government on humanitarian basis. It is not just rescuing its own people, but the government is also rescuing the lives of the people who belong to other country and they are being provided shelter in India, right? So this is how already India is a global leader, and India will become more powerful, and India will become more powerful at the international level with such type of kind acts. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Take very good care.